Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make donuts. We'll start by gathering all the necessary ingredients, including 500 grams of all-purpose flour, 75 grams of sugar, and 10 grams of active dry yeast. It's crucial to activate your yeast properly with warm milk and a pinch of sugar to ensure a fluffy texture. Having everything ready makes the process smooth and enjoyable. Next, we'll combine our activated yeast mixture with the dry ingredients, mixing until a shaggy dough forms. Then, it's time for kneading. Work the dough for about 8 to 10 minutes until it becomes smooth and elastic. This develops the gluten, which is key for a light donut. After kneading, let the dough rest and rise in a warm spot for approximately 1.5 hours, or until it doubles in size. Once your dough has beautifully risen, gently punch it down and roll it out on a lightly floured surface to about 1/2 inch thick. Use a 3-inch donut cutter to create your perfect shapes, and don't forget the holes. Let these cut donuts rest for another 20 minutes for a second rise. Then, carefully fry them in oil heated to 350 degrees Fahrenheit until golden brown, about 1 minute per side. Finally, let's add that irresistible finish. While your donuts are still warm, prepare a simple glaze by whisking together 2 cups of powdered sugar with 3 to 4 tablespoons of milk. Dip each donut into the glaze, ensuring an even coating. Let them set for a few minutes, and then they're ready to enjoy. For more great tips and deals, including a fantastic water bottle to keep you hydrated, check the description below.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.